Welcome to the shop here at Spikes Prospecting Equipment. Now I do things a little different, and I'm going to show you a couple of things I do a little different, okay? Here's our new thermoforming machine I'm building right now, and I'm going to take you in for a little look at that, and we'll go from there around and see what's happening around this place. So, this is a shuttle machine, 20,000 watts of heat in this here in two different zones. There's an outside zone and a center zone, so you can heat up the center section or you can heat up the whole 4x4. This is 4 foot by 4 foot inside dimension, and shoot a half a sheet of plastic at one time. You heat the plastic up with it in this position here. When it gets hot, push it back like that right there out of your way. The mold goes right here. And what we're going to be working on tonight is we're going to be working on making this thing lift up in the air with this air cylinder I've got over here on the table. So that's what I'm working on tonight, is getting that in there and making it work somehow. So we'll see how it all goes. Y'all see how you hang with me. Well, how you doing there, folks? Spikes Prospecting Equipment. I'm in the process of building what I call the Project Go Big. That's what we decided to call this. Anyway, here's my new thermoforming machine I'm building right here. I don't know if the camera's going to come down here where I'm at or not. Keep it down just a little bit so you get a little better focus on it here. Okay, right here. This is where you put your plastic in right here. So, clamps are here. Here raises up, put a 4x4 sheet of plastic in this machine right here. Bring it down, clamp that, clamp that, clamp that. That should clamp the whole sheet of plastic in. The mold's going to be coming up from the bottom down here. The heater is going to be up here on top, and it's going to roll back and forth. What I just done just a few minutes ago is I just finished making some rollers. Made out of MDF with two sides of Formica on it, and I'm fixing to put some polyurethane on them, see if that makes them harden up and see what they do. They may fall apart, but until I can get some machines out of aluminum or something, these are going to have to work. So anyway, they fit in these nice little slots right here. Let me get you in a little closer here. Come on, okay. Just turn off the spot. What we have is the heater is going to be on 2 wheels here. And 2 wheels over there. So that heater will roll it over here, over the plastic, heat the plastic up. You can push it back to the back that way, so you can bring the part up and make the part up like right here in the bottom of this. Get it right up out of that. So that's what I'm headed with it, and this is where I've got so far with it. And I've been working on it 2 days, something like that. But they're long days. I don't do short days. So yeah, it's late now. It's real late at night. I just got done cutting these, and I wanted to do a little update. And I realized that I do Facebook all the time, but I don't do YouTube for my stuff. And the main reason is because I can't go live on YouTube, so I'm just going to start making recordings for this. But this is where I made these 4 wheels, and you'll see they're all just alike, and I'll put the footage on also how I made those so you can see what I've done. But everything here went together real good so far. I got to order some cylinders, air cylinder for it, big one about this big around, to lift it with, like 500 pounds of lifting capacity to pick the mold up. What I have here is roll of tubing, some fittings, a little bit of Teflon tape, some more air fittings, a up and down control valve with a couple of mufflers already in it, and I'm going to try to make all this work here in just a few minutes. And then this big boy right here is going to mount under the bottom of the machine and going to lift up and pick the machine up. That's what the plan is. So anyway, that's what the plan is. That's what I'm going to be working on. So I'm going to get everything rigged up and see how it works, and then we'll try to put it in place and see see how we can make it work. So, later on. And other than that, we're going tomorrow to bend the metal for the heater. Get that done. So maybe we'll do some footage of that tomorrow while we're doing that. How about that? The idea is to mount the cylinder in the center here and let it pick this up. And it's pretty darn heavy already, but the cylinder is supposed to be good for 500 pounds, or I think it is. So we'll see how it works out. There we go. We got camera now. Back this out here a little bit. I got my new toy going, that's for sure. Yeah, we're there.